Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing this kind of blue screen error, startup repair could not repair your PC. You will get this error if your Windows files or your boot files are corrupted. So let's fix the error. First, click on this advanced option. Now here, click on this troubleshoot option. Now click on advanced option. Now here you will see an option of startup repair. So click on it. And this option will try to repair all the Windows startup files. So click on this option, and this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes. So I will fast forward this video. So this method is unable to fix the error in my laptop. You can see the same error, startup repair could not repair your PC. Now move on to our next method. If you are still getting the same issue, click on this advanced option. Then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now here you will see the option of command prompt, click on it. Now select the login username in your system. Now enter the password, your login username password. Now we are going to manually repair our Windows corrupted files. So type the first command, sfc /scan now. So this command will repair all the Windows corrupted files. Press enter, and this process will also take 3 to 5 minutes. So I will fast forward this video. Process completed. And now type the next command, bootrack /fixmbr. So this will repair the MBR file. Press enter. Process completed. Now type the next command, bootsect /nt60 sys. Press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack /fixboot. Press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack /rebuild bcd. Press enter. That's it, process completed. Now cut this window, and after that click on continue, and this will restart your system, and this will also fix the error. But if you are still getting the same error, startup repair, move on to our next method. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now again click on command prompt. Now we are going to repair our hard drive errors. So type the command chk dsk /f c:. Press enter. So this will check your hard drive, and if there is any error in your hard drive, this command will fix that. So you have to wait for a few more minutes. I will fast forward this video. So process completed. Now type the next command, bootrack /scan os. Press enter. Process completed. Now cut this window, then click on continue, and this will fix the error. But if you are still getting the same error, move on to our next method. Click on troubleshoot. Now here you will see the option of reset this PC. Click on it. Now in this method we are going to reset our PC, and with the help of this process you can completely remove all kind of blue screen errors from your system. And in this process, all your personal files in your system will remain safe. All your personal data will remain safe. There will be no data loss. And in this process, we are going to reinstall our operating system. So you have two options, keep my files or remove everything. So go for the first one, keep my files. Now click on local reinstall. Now here you will see the details, reset this PC, and your system will go back to the default mode. Keep personal files, so all the data you have in your system will remain safe. There will be no data loss at all. Your Windows will reinstall. The only drawback in this method is the softwares you have in your system will remove, but your data will remain safe. So click on this reset button, and this will take half an hour, and this will reset your PC and remove all kind of errors. So these are the methods you can apply to fix this. This is all for the video. Thank you.